A guide to becoming a systems analyst. A systems analyst is responsible for analyzing, designing, implementing, and maintaining computer systems to meet the needs of an organization. They work closely with business stakeholders to understand their requirements and translate them into technical solutions. Skills and qualifications. Strong problem-solving skills, excellent communication skills, analytical thinking, knowledge of technology and computer systems, experience in business analysis, familiarity with software development and programming. Job role and responsibilities. Process analysis, analyzing and understanding existing business processes to identify areas for improvement and optimization. System design, designing IT solutions to meet the needs of the organization, taking into account technical requirements and business objectives. Data modeling, creating data models to ensure that the system meets the data management requirements of the organization. Problem solving, troubleshooting and resolving issues with computer systems and applications. Communication, collaborating with stakeholders to gather requirements, provide updates on projects, and offer support. Education and certifications. While a bachelor's degree in information technology, computer science, or a related field is typically required for a systems analyst role, some employers may prefer candidates with a master's degree or relevant certifications. Certified Business Analysis Professional, CBAPE, CompTIA IT Fundamentals, ITF+, Project Management Professional, PMP, Certified Information Systems Security Professional. Career Path and Development. The career path for a systems analyst typically starts with entry-level roles such as IT support or business analyst, with opportunities to specialize in areas such as data analysis, cybersecurity, or project management. Conclusion. In conclusion, becoming a systems analyst can be a rewarding and fulfilling career choice for individuals with a passion for technology and problem solving.